Welcome to My Dream Academy, Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad branch. I am Chalapathi Mathematics. I am continuing the previous video. What I am discussed the parabola concept questions of the first 10. It is a continuation of that video 2. Parabola, that is the conic section, part 2, the 11th question. Please see what is the question actually. Equation, first I am going to discuss the concept based note. What is the note? Whenever you want to write an equation of a parabola, when the focus and directrix are given, the concept is what? SP by PM. So S is focus is given, directrix is Lx plus My plus N equal 0. Select a point on the required locus parabola Px1 y1. Locus of PB, SP by PM equal to 1. It is a definition of conic. Definition of conic. That is a parabola. SP by PM equal to E, parabola case E equal to 1, SP equal to PM, which represent a parabola. Now the question comes, equation of parabola when focus alpha beta directrix is given are, SP by PM means SP square equal to PM square. X minus alpha whole square plus Y minus beta whole square equal to Lx plus Mi plus N whole square by L square plus N square. Now the question, it is a question happened in EAPCET 2023, first batch. If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square minus 82x plus 92y plus 144 equal 0 is the equation of parabola with focus is 2, minus 3 and the directrix is given, then what is the equation of parabola? They are not asking. They are asking, then the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal 0 represent another here. So first of all, focus is given 2, minus 3 and the directrix is given this one. Frame the total equation. What? SP by PM equal to 1, SP equal to PM or SP square equal to PM square. With that, this expansion, we are going to get a numerical equation 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy, remaining 3 repeated as it is. So they are asking our concentration will be what will be happened for this representation of equation. Since it is a homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal 0, which represent factors 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y, which is represent what? Two coincident lines passing through origin. This will be the answer. Yes, the next design, a point on the parabola whose focus vertex respectively is given. What is the difference between 11th and 12th? 11th is focus directrix is given, we frame an equation of parabola. Now the question comes, focus and vertex both are given. Indirectly they are asking from the given 4 points which point lies on the parabola equation. So first you have to frame the equation of parabola. How to get it? A point in the parabola whose focus and vertex are given, options. So here you have that one dummy. This is general axis. So parabola will be like this, vertex and focus. Let our required point, one of the 4 points should be on this. So how to get an equation of parabola? Vertex A and focus is given. It is a general concept. The distance between vertex and focus is A. So A equal to AS we are getting as 1 by 4. So equation of parabola y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Now a doubt comes. Sir, there are 4 types are there, sir. X minus h whole square also there, minus is also there, sir. How you can select this one? You observe that one. Focus and vertex, y coordinates are equal. Therefore, the parabola stretches towards the x-axis in a positive direction. Y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Here you observe that one. Since y coordinates are equal, that's why the parabola equation is y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Y minus, it is h comma k, y minus of minus y plus 2 whole square. 4 into a is 1 by 4 into x minus 1. 4 and 4 cancel. We got an equation of parabola y plus 2 whole square equal to x minus 1. Now by verification of options, the point 10 comma 1, keep 1 for y. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9 equal to 9. Hence, the option D will be the correct for this statement. Its question also came in 23 EAPCET. Yes, next design. It is a very important, and only 2 questions out of 80 mathematics questions are asking. That is a compulsory question, matrix match. So in the part B, one matrix match question may be coming like this in parabola section. It is also in 23 exams, EAPCET exams question. Consider the parabola equation is given y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0. Match the items list 1 with those of list 2. They are given list 1 is list 2, reverse. 2x minus 5, some values, right side vertex, focus, equation of directrix, equation of axis are asking. So then which will be the correct match? Given parabola, first standardize and what design it will be match. Given parabola is y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 3. Manipulate. Keep the y square terms one side and push the other terms other side. Here if you add 1 on both sides, this is coming as, if you want to write, add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. So y square plus 2 into y plus 1, right side 3 become 3 plus 1, 4. It is a perfect square, y plus 1 whole square equal to minus 2 into x minus 2. This is a perfectly standard, one of the standard parabola equations. Y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus 8. By comparing, the vertex will be what? H comma k. So 2 comma h comma k means 2 comma minus 1. You check that one. Vertex is 2 comma 1. So 1 and D is matching. 1 and D is matching only here. Nothing will be there. Automatically remaining will be adjustable. Axis is y plus 1. So equation of axis, these two you can match. So C and 4, you check that one, C and 4 will be there. Next, equation of directrix will be coming as what? Y plus 1. So, axis is equation of axis, y plus 1, the 4, C. So C becomes 4, B becomes 2, yes, B becomes 2. Focus is this one, we got here the focus is 3 by 2, comma minus 1, rest will be automatically matched. This is the way you have to the matrix match, please. Next question. Equation of common tangent to the two parabola curves. One is x square equal to 108y and y square equal to 32x will be there. It is a general pattern. You can see the condition for parabola and a line touches c equal to a by m or c equal to minus a m square, like that. If you remember this one, it's a very shortcut method. Equation of common tangent to the two parabola curves. One is y square equal to 4ax, maybe like this, y square equal to 4ax. And another will be, this is y square equal to 4ax, and another will be coming like this. One more parabola curves coming like this. This is like this will be coming. So what is the common tangent for these two curves? This is the common tangent. Y square equal to 4x and x square 4by is, you remember, a to the power of 1 by 3 into x plus b to the power of 1 by 3 into y plus a power 2 by 3 into b power 2 by 3 equals 0. Y square equal to 32x, we can get 4a equal to 32a, value is 8. X square equal to 108y, 4b is 108, b is 27. Just equation of common tangent to the curve. In this, substitute AB values, A for 8 and B for 27, and simplify. You are going to get the common tangent 2x plus 3y plus 36, which match the option A. This is the technique. Next, one more design. If the tangent drawn at the point P4, 8 to the parabola 1, which meets another parabola in A and B, then what will be the midpoint of AB? Come roughly the diagram. Y square equal to 16x is the parabola. On the parabola P4, 8 is the point where you drawn tangent which meets the another parabola y square equal to 16x plus 18 A and B. Then what will be the midpoint of AB? Given parabola 1, y square equal to 16x, that is 1. Equation of tangent at Px1 by 1 by concept is s1 equal 0. Y by 1 minus 2a into x plus x1. By simplification, y equal to x plus 4 is tangent, that equation tangent. Since this tangent meet another parabola given in the data, y square equals 16x plus 80 at 2 points A and B. Now by solving 2 and 3, how to solve it? Keep y equal to x plus 4 in the equation 3. X plus 4 whole square equals 16x plus 80. By simplification, we are getting it as a quadratic equation. We get x equal to 4 plus or minus 4 root 5. By keeping x value in this, that gives the y value as 8 plus or minus 4 root 5. So A is 4 plus 4 root 5, comma 8 plus 4 root 5. B is also coming another pair. So midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. 4 root 5, negative 4 root 5 cancel. 4 plus 4 by 8 by 2 is 4. 8 plus 8, 16, this is cancelled. 16 by 2 is 8. Option B is correct. Yes, continuation to my previous 15th question, 16th. The point of intersection of the parabola curves y square equal to 5x and x square equal to 5y lies on which of the following 4 lines? For this, you observe that one, y square equal to 4ax is like this, the curve standard, and x square equal to 5y is a curve above like that. These two are intersecting at origin as well as the P. So P dash. Origin means we know the 0, 0, another point. Given two curves y square equal to 5x and x square equal to 5y. By solving these two, we are obtaining both are satisfied by 0, 0. Or else x is 5 and y is 5. The point of intersection of P 0, 0 and P dash 5, 5. By verification of options, both the points are passing through. Suppose if you are select the first option, 5 plus 5, 10 is correct, but 0 plus 0 not equal to 10. First option fail. Like that, if you can test, the third option satisfy both the points 0, 0 as well as 5 plus 5 minus 5. Next, one more important concept is there. Whenever you want to find out the angle between two intersecting curves, without naming of the curves, first year applications of derivatives. Suppose y equal to fx is a curve and y equal to gx is another curve. How to find out the angle between the two intersecting curves means the simple technique is by solving those two, obtain point of intersection. So find differentiate of the first curve with respect to that point, with respect to x at that point, that gives the slope of the tangent m1, we got it. Repeat the same for second curve. What? X square equal to 4by, differentiate on both sides with respect to x at the same point, that obtain the slope of the second curve, what? M2. Once the two curves tangent slopes are got it, the angle between the tangents is nothing but angle between the two intersecting curves. Tan theta is m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Instead of that, easy to remember, when two parabola curves are opposite like this, then intersecting parabola curves, and theta is an angle between them. The theta is, you remember, tan inverse of 3a power 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3 divided by 2 into a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. These two are continuation. Next design is a common tangent. One must remember the 4 important concepts of the total circles and conic section. Suppose a line y equal to mx plus c touches a circle. What is the condition? C equal to root of 1 plus m square, r into, that is c equal plus or minus r into root 1 plus m square. If y equal to mx plus c, the line touches the parabola, condition you must remember is c equal to a by m. And whenever a line y equal to mx plus c is tangent or touches the ellipse, condition is c equal to root of a square m square plus b square. Similarly, for hyperbola, c equal to root of a square m square minus b square. In this question, we have to find out a common tangent which touches both the circle and radius, circle and parabola. See that. Equation of common tangent to a circle, x square plus y square equal to 2a square, and parabola. First, write the given circle, x square plus y square minus 2a square equal to 0 is equation. Center is 0, 0 and radius is a root 2. Similarly, for parabola, y square equal to 80x is given design. 4ax, a is 2a. Once you identify these two, assume that equation of required common tangent for both circle and parabola will be y equal to mx plus c. If it touches parabola, condition just I am explained, c equal to a by m. A is 2a by m. Then the equation y equal to mx plus c coming as y equal to mx plus 2a by m. So write it in standard design ax plus by plus c model. So mx minus y plus 2a by m equal 0. Since it is also touches the circle, what is the condition? The line touches the circle, perpendicular distance equal to radius. Perpendicular distance from where to where? Perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the common line. Suppose if I draw a parabola like this, it is y square equal to 4ax, roughly I am writing. This is x square plus y square equal to 2a square or something is there. So perpendicular distance from center to the common tangent CT should be equal to radius. I am given perpendicular distance from center of the circle 0, 0, m0, 0 plus 2a by m divided by a square plus b square, m square plus 1 square. By simplification I got m is plus or minus 1. I repost that y in the third equation, that gives the common tangent. Instead of that, check the options. By keeping m is plus or minus 1, y equal plus or minus x plus 2u, that matches as option B is the correct. Yes. Next is a very important and frequently appeared question, very important strategy. The normal at point P88 to the parabola cuts it again at Q. Then what is the distance between PQ? You observe from diagram. Y square equal to 4ax is a curve parabola. P is a point at T1. If I am say PT1, I draw a tangent, a normal which is a perpendicular to the tangent. Normal drawn at PT1, cut the curve again at QT2. Then what is the distance between these two? Distance between these two. So the question starts like this. First, before you observe that one, what is the PT1 and PT2? Those are the 2 points or parametric points. If normal drawn to the parabola y square equal to 4ax, take PT1 is the parametric point in the parabola 81 square comma 281. If it meets it again at Q, T2, 82 square comma 282, then one must remember condition. The relation between T2 T1 is T2 equal to minus T1 minus 2 by T1. Given PT1, we are observing 81 square comma 281, that is one of the point given, 8 comma 8. Y square equal to 8x means 4a is 8, a is 2. So substitute a is 2, 2t1 square equal to 4t1 is 8 comma 8. By comparing the things, t1 equal to, it comes 2. Once you got the t1 equal to 2, substitute in this, you are going to get t2 equal to minus 3. Once both t1, t2 on your hand, a is already, we are finding the 2. So QT2 point is coming as a2 t square comma 282. A is 2, t square is 3 square 9, 9 into 2 18. Similarly for minus 12. Once in your hand PT1 is there and QT2 is there, then the distance between those 2 points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Simplify, that comes 10 root 5, which the match the option B. Yes, in the sequence of the conic section parabola, this is one of the last problem, what I can say the last design. Length of chord, how to find out length of chord? Before this one I am going to tell a small concept. Suppose a line is intersected circle in 2 points A and B. The AB is called the chord. The length of the chord is 2 root 2 over r square minus d square. We know the formula. What is 2 times of r square minus d square? R is the radius of the circle, d is the perpendicular distance from center to the chord line. So whenever you want to find out length of the chord for a circle, formula is 2r square minus d square. Similarly, this is parabola, a chord drawn from P not on the parabola, which intersect the curve in 2 points L and M. What is the distance between L and M, which is nothing but length of the chord. length of the chord of the contact LM of a point Px1 y1 with respect to the parabola standard is, you must remember format, 1 by a square root of y1 square plus 4a square into s11. Given parabola is what? Y square equal to 8x. From this 4a is 8 means a is 2. And given point with respect is 2 comma 5, that is x1 by 1. Length of the chord is 1 by a, that is 1 by 2 into square root of y1 square. What is the y1? 5. 5 square 25 plus 4a square. 4 into 2 square is 4 4 16 into s11. s11 is the chord of y1 square minus 8x1. So y1 square is 25 minus 16. 1 by 2 into 41 into 9. That comes 3 by 2 root 41 unit, that matches as option A. Thank you to all. With this, the conic section parabola is completed. Next video I am going to start the second conic section, that is ellipse. So please remember, all people, my appeal is, if you are not subscribed our video channels of My Dream Academy Dilshuknagar branch, please subscribe the My Dream Academy channels. Same you share with your friends also. We will meet in next video. Thank you to all.